Aloe vera, the spiky green succulent, has earned its place in kitchens and medicine cabinets worldwide. Its thick, fleshy leaves are instantly recognizable, and for good reason. This plant is truly a marvel of nature. Not only is it easy to grow at home, but it also thrives in a variety of climates, making it accessible to people all around the globe. Aloe vera's unique appearance, with its vibrant green colour and serrated edges, adds a touch of natural beauty to any space, whether it's perched on a sunny windowsill or growing in a backyard garden. For centuries, this plant has been prized for its soothing gel, known to heal burns and moisturize skin. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, valued aloe vera for its remarkable healing properties. The gel inside the leaves is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a go-to remedy for sunburns, minor cuts, and dry skin. Many people keep a fresh aloe vera leaf in their kitchen or bathroom, ready to use whenever a little extra care is needed for their skin. But did you know that aloe vera can also be enjoyed as a refreshing and healthy drink? Beyond its topical uses, aloe vera has found its way into the world of nutrition and wellness. Drinking aloe vera juice is a tradition in many cultures, where it's believed to support digestion and overall vitality. The juice is made by carefully extracting the clear inner gel and blending it with water or other natural ingredients. Aloe vera juice is packed with nutrients and offers a wide range of health benefits, making it a popular choice for those seeking natural ways to boost their well-being. It contains vitamins like A, C, and E, as well as essential minerals such as calcium and magnesium. Many people drink aloe vera juice to support their immune system, aid digestion, and promote healthy skin from the inside out. Its hydrating properties can also help you feel refreshed and energized throughout the day. Aloe vera juice has a slightly tangy, almost neutral taste, making it a versatile base for smoothies and other beverages. You can mix it with your favorite fruits, blend it into a green smoothie, or simply enjoy it chilled on its own. Its mild flavor means it won't overpower other ingredients, so you can get creative with your recipes and enjoy the benefits of aloe vera in a way that suits your taste. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine for a natural health kick. Whether you add a splash to your morning juice, blend it into your post-workout smoothie, or sip it as a midday refresher, aloe vera juice fits seamlessly into a healthy lifestyle. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in how you feel each day. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply curious about the power of plants, aloe vera juice is worth exploring. Its long history, impressive health benefits, and versatility make it a true wonder of nature. Give it a try and discover how this ancient plant can bring a touch of wellness and vitality into your everyday life. Making your own aloe vera juice at home is surprisingly simple, and it's a wonderful way to enjoy the plant's natural benefits in their purest form. Whether you're new to homemade juices or a seasoned kitchen enthusiast, this process is straightforward and rewarding. To get started, you'll need just a handful of basic ingredients and a few common kitchen tools. Let's walk through everything you'll need to prepare before you begin. First, you'll want a fresh aloe vera leaf. Look for a plump, mature leaf from the outermost part of the plant. These are usually the largest and contain the most gel. The gel inside is what you'll be using to make your juice, so picking a healthy, thick leaf is key for the best results. Next, you'll need water. Filtered or bottled water is ideal, as it ensures your juice has a clean, crisp taste without any unwanted flavors or impurities. The water will help dilute the aloe gel and make your juice more refreshing and easy to drink. Lemon is another important ingredient. Just a squeeze of fresh lemon juice not only adds a bright, zesty flavor, but it also helps preserve the juice, keeping it fresh for longer. Lemon's natural acidity balances the aloe's subtle bitterness and enhances the overall taste. For those who prefer a touch of sweetness, honey or agave syrup can be added. This step is optional, but a little natural sweetener can make your aloe vera juice more palatable, especially if you're new to its unique flavor. You'll also need a sharp kitchen knife. This will help you carefully cut and trim the aloe vera leaf, making it easier to extract the gel without including the bitter yellow latex just beneath the skin. A spoon is essential for scooping out the clear, soothing gel from inside the leaf. Take your time with this step to get as much gel as possible while avoiding the green outer skin. To turn the gel into a smooth, drinkable juice, you'll need a blender or food processor. This will help you combine all your ingredients into a silky, uniform mixture that's easy to enjoy. For an extra smooth texture, you can use a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer to filter out any remaining pulp or fibrous bits. This step is optional, but it can make your juice even more pleasant to drink. With these simple ingredients and tools gathered, you're all set to start making your own batch of fresh, healthy aloe vera juice right at home. Taking a few moments to prepare everything in advance will make the process smooth and enjoyable, and soon you'll be sipping on a glass of homemade wellness. The key to delicious and safe aloe vera juice lies in proper preparation of the leaf. Follow these steps to ensure you're extracting the gel correctly. First, washing. Rinse the aloe vera leaf thoroughly under cold running water, gently removing any dirt or debris. Next, draining. Allow the leaf to drain on a clean kitchen towel for a few minutes. Then, slicing. Carefully slice off the spiky edges of the leaf using a sharp knife. For filleting, cut the leaf lengthwise into 2 halves, revealing the clear gel inside. Finally, scooping. Using a spoon, gently scoop out the clear gel from both halves of the leaf, taking care not to include any of the yellow latex. This latex, also known as aloin, can have a bitter taste and may cause digestive discomfort for some people. Now comes the fun part, blending. Add the scooped aloe vera gel to your blender or food processor. For a single serving, aim for about 1/4 cup of gel. You can adjust the amount depending on your desired consistency and taste preferences. Next, add about 1/2 cup of water to the blender. Again, you can adjust the amount of water to achieve your desired thickness. Some people prefer a more concentrated juice, while others like it diluted. Secure the blender lid tightly and blend on high speed for about 30 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and frothy. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain the juice through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. Okay, so your fresh homemade aloe vera juice is ready to be enjoyed. Just pour it into a glass and, customize it to your liking. Here are a few serving suggestions. For a refreshing treat, chill the juice in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before serving. Or you could add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a tangy twist and to enhance the flavour. If you prefer a sweeter juice, just stir in a teaspoon or 2 of honey or agave nectar. And for a tropical twist, try replacing the water with coconut water when blending. This adds a hint of sweetness and those lovely electrolytes. Honestly, experiment with different variations and find what you enjoy best. Beyond its refreshing taste, aloe vera juice boasts an impressive nutritional profile, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. This vibrant green drink is more than just a trendy beverage. It's a centuries-old remedy that has been cherished in traditional medicine for its remarkable healing properties. Aloe vera juice contains vitamins A, C, and E, which are known for their role in supporting healthy skin and immune function. It's also a source of B vitamins, folic acid, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are vital for overall wellness. The antioxidants in aloe vera juice help combat oxidative stress, protecting your cells from damage and supporting long-term health. Let's, delve into the specific health benefits this wonder drink offers. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your immunity, or simply add a nutritious beverage to your daily routine, aloe vera juice has something for everyone. Its versatility makes it a popular choice for people of all ages, and it can easily be incorporated into smoothies, juices, or enjoyed on its own. First up, digestive support. Aloe vera contains natural enzymes that aid in breaking down sugars and fats, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients efficiently. These enzymes help soothe the digestive tract, reducing irritation and promoting a healthy gut environment. Regular consumption of aloe vera juice can help maintain a balanced digestive system, which is crucial for overall health and well-being. It can help relieve common digestive issues such as constipation, bloating, and heartburn. The natural laxative properties of aloe vera juice gently encourage regular bowel movements, while its soothing compounds calm inflammation in the stomach lining. This makes it a gentle yet effective remedy for those struggling with digestive discomfort. Next, immunity boost. Rich in antioxidants, aloe vera juice helps strengthen the immune system, protecting the body from free radical damage and infections. The polysaccharides found in aloe vera stimulate the activity of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off harmful bacteria and viruses. By supporting your body's natural defenses, aloe vera juice can help you stay healthy year-round. It's also a hydration powerhouse. Aloe vera is excellent for hydration, replenishing electrolytes lost through sweat, which is especially beneficial after exercise or during hot weather. Its high water content helps keep your body hydrated, supports kidney function, and aids in flushing out toxins. For athletes or anyone with an active lifestyle, aloe vera juice is a natural way to restore balance and energy. Now, as a skin savior, aloe vera juice is renowned for its skin healing properties. Drinking it regularly can improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of acne, and soothe sunburn from within. The vitamins and antioxidants in aloe vera juice nourish your skin, helping to maintain a youthful glow and protect against environmental damage. It's a natural way to support your skin's health from the inside out. And finally, weight management support. Some studies suggest that aloe vera juice may aid weight loss by boosting metabolism and reducing fat absorption. Its natural compounds can help regulate blood sugar levels and curb appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, aloe vera juice can be a valuable addition to your wellness journey, supporting your goals for a healthier, more vibrant life. With its long list of health benefits, it's no wonder aloe vera has earned the superfood label. But what do the experts say? Well, many health professionals acknowledge the potential benefits of aloe vera juice, particularly its positive effects on digestion and skin health. Research on aloe vera's medicinal properties is ongoing, and while more studies are needed to confirm some of its claimed benefits, the existing evidence is promising. The consensus is that incorporating aloe vera juice into a balanced diet can contribute to overall well-being. However, it's essential to remember that aloe vera juice is not a magic cure-all. While generally safe for consumption, excessive intake of aloe vera juice can lead to some side effects. The most common concern is its laxative effect, which can cause diarrhea and dehydration if consumed in large quantities. It's crucial to start with small amounts of aloe vera juice and monitor your body's response. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as individuals with certain medical conditions, should consult their doctor before adding aloe vera juice to their diet. Moderation is key when it comes to enjoying the benefits of aloe vera juice safely. Incorporating fresh, homemade aloe vera juice into your routine is a delicious and natural way to boost your health and well-being. From its digestive benefits to its skin-soothing properties, aloe vera juice offers a wealth of advantages. Remember to prepare the leaf correctly, enjoy the juice in moderation, and listen to your body's signals. Cheers to a healthier you, one sip at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary. Join our community for more valuable insights and tips to help you live a healthier and happier life.